Workshop preparation, the key to success. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an essential topic that can greatly influence the outcome of any workshop: workshop preparation. Understanding this concept is crucial, not just for educators and trainers, but for anyone looking to organize or participate in a workshop. So, let's unpack what it means and how you can master it for success. Workshop preparation refers to the process of planning and organizing the various elements of a workshop to ensure it runs smoothly and meets its objectives. This involves several key steps: identifying the goals of the workshop, understanding the audience to tailor the content accordingly, organizing materials and resources needed for activities, planning the structure of the session, including the timeline and activities. Effective preparation is the backbone of a successful workshop, enabling a productive and engaging learning environment. Let's break down the essential components you need to consider. Goals and objectives. Start by clearly defining what you want to achieve with the workshop. Goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Audience analysis. Knowing your audience is critical. Consider their background, skill level, and expectations. This will help you tailor the content and approach to engage them effectively. Materials and logistics. Gather all necessary materials and ensure the venue and technology are set up. This includes handouts, presentation slides, and any software or equipment needed. Content and structure. Plan the flow of the workshop. Decide on the mix of lectures, discussions, and hands-on activities. Ensure there is a logical progression that builds on previous knowledge and skills. Once you have a solid plan, it's time to put it into action. This involves communicating with participants beforehand about what to expect, setting up the space to facilitate interaction and learning, conducting the workshop, keeping an eye on time management and participant engagement, gathering feedback at the end to learn and improve for next time. Preparing for a workshop might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding experience. By focusing on clear goals, understanding your audience, organizing materials, and planning the content and structure, you're setting the stage for a successful event. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into workshop preparation. Remember, the effort you put into preparation can make all the difference in achieving your workshop's objectives. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in your next workshop.